sweet friends, and welcome back. Obviously you can see I'm in my car and my camera, the battery's dead. I didn't even think about it when I grabbed my camera today. So hence we're on my phone, and this is where I'm gonna have to put it so I can chat with all of you. I just got my hair cut and colored, and I need to run into Target to get a few things. So I thought I'd bring you along. I'm gonna go check out the dollar spot and just see what other kind of decor they've got going on, maybe for the spring season. And I do have to pick up a few things for Mark, and I was in the area. So I thought, why not just do a typical day in the life with Karen? Because I know some of you have been asking, can you take us out and about? And not that it's too exciting this time of year because the weather is so cold. And I try to avoid going out as much as possible. I do order my groceries online. I admit. And I just go pull in and pick them up. But it's not too cold today, and I had to be out anyway to get my hair done. So let's go head on into Target and see what we can find.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we
I am back home, so I'll share with you just a few things that I picked up. But were you guys shocked to see all the earth tones? I can't say I was shocked. Well, I guess I was. A lot of earth tones, like the clay colors and some of the navy and stuff like that. I'm seeing for spring decor, which was really interesting. I didn't buy any of it. I just bought a few things from the Target dollar spot and just a few grocery items that I needed. So I'll share that again, like I said, in a minute. But my smeg, remember how I shared with you, I got that new smeg around the holiday season, and then it ended up smelling like burnt rubber. I mean, from the get-go. Finally, my new one just came today. So I'm gonna unbox this with all of you, because in the event it stinks again, you all are my witness. Okay, so let me go ahead and move my groceries, and then we're gonna open this up. Actually, let's just go ahead and do this little haul quickly, and then I can put this away. Okay, from the Target dollar spot, look at how cute, you, me, and a cup of tea, but you can put whatever you want in it. So I thought this was a cute frame. I love this for my cups or my tea bags. Spill the tea, and look how cute this little one is for Valentine's Day. Then I got these little kind of to-go cups, XOXO. So yes, of course, you know, we'll be doing some kind of a coffee station, tea station for Valentine's Day. So I picked those up. I got some whipped Philadelphia cream cheese, which I love. I was getting really low on deodorant. I love the Native brand, and this smells really good. The desert grass and sandalwood. Some creamer for Mark, some eggs. Mark likes this Italiano bread, which I do not like. I like crunchy Italian bread, but I try to stay away. And then when I watch Little CJ, I like to pack like hummus and stuff like that. Not that I had to pack food to go to my daughter's house, and I can eat whatever I want, but sometimes it's easy for me just to throw some vegetables and hummus in to nibble on while he's playing and stuff like that. And I don't know what happened. I used to have these and they sort of disappeared. Look how cute these. I love these hand towels. These are pretty and springy. I needed some more of my hefty. I love these specific little baggies. This was at the Target dollar spot, and it's just so pretty. So I'll find something to do with it. And then I got some lemons because I love to use lemons in my water and just to squeeze them on dressings and stuff like that. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too?
The first thing it said to do then is to wipe the outside of it, which I just did. Take out the filter. I'm gonna rinse this for a little bit. We're gonna fill it with water, and then we have to repeat the process 3 times. Well, hello there, friends. Mark and I are gonna grab a bite to eat for dinner tonight. And just like the old days, I'm gonna bring you along. We're just gonna go to the lake club. I think that's where we're gonna go. It's so cold and crappy out, but we just wanted to get out of the house. And so that's what we're gonna do. I just have on just a simple black turtleneck, black pants, black boots, nothing too fancy. Just something set to go out and just have a fun evening. Friends, Mark and I are having a little summer party here out in the family room because we are in the midst of redoing our entire bedroom. Yes, Archie. So we're gonna sleep on the couch here tonight. Sorry about all the lighting because the TV's on. But anyway, we're gonna have a fun little sleepover here on our couch, which is so comfortable. Oh, Archie, he is so confused, but we had such a lovely dinner. And now we're just gonna have a fun little sleepover here outside in the family room. I'll see you in the morning. Friends, so Mark and I enjoyed our little slumber party out here on the couch while he is painting this morning, and he got up so early, but I was still able to sleep. So I'm gonna get some coffee. It's still dark out. It is blustering out there. It is so windy. So yeah, it's gonna be a cozy day here today with the snow. So I'm gonna make some coffee this morning. Be the perfect mug for today. Let it snow. I made this, by the way, years ago. The wind chill factor is probably about 5 degrees out. So I ordered my groceries online last night. Mark and I went and picked them up. So we've been really in the mood for vegetable soup. Kim made it last weekend and we loved it. So I thought I'd make a different version of it today. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I also started making my artesian bread. So we're gonna have crusty bread with it too. It's gonna be so good. So let's get cooking. This soup sounds really good. And I've never had a vegetable soup, well, that I know of, that had red wine in it. So to me, that just takes it up a notch. Good morning, sweet friends. Well, I wanted to say, first of all, that soup last night was fantastic. It was so good. So I will link it for you in the description section. probably one of the, well, I know actually the best vegetable soup I have ever had. I have to say. All right, so before I end this video, a few questions. Well, first of all, do you like this cozy corner chat? Do you like it? Let me know. I just feel like this is where I have my time to chit chat with all of you and to share what's on my mind and stuff like that. It's like be hanging out with my friends. So I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section if you're enjoying it. Okay, so next, I want to share with you just one thing that it popped into my brain yesterday, and I thought I want to share this with all of you. Do you ever have that one dream that is on repeat? I've had this dream since the 1980s. Let me tell you what it is. Actually, let me back up real quick. So when I was in school, high school and elementary and all that, middle school, my parents would always go to the parent-teacher conferences, and they would always tell my parents, oh, Karen is such a joy, you know, she's just so sweet, but, you know, she just doesn't really work hard on her studies, and, you know, she's just not focusing all that, you know, she's more having more fun, just being social. Well, that actually, it stayed with me when I started college. So, I joined a sorority when I got into college, again, another big social thing. And then when I found out that you could skip class to go watch Luke and Laura from General Hospital get married.
Take leave, Lucas Lorenzo Spencer.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
And you wouldn't get in trouble? I'm like, I'm in. And then it kept happening. So my parents were like, no, we're not going to pay for you to go to college anymore because you're just not taking it seriously. So needless to say, since then, I've been having this dream that I am going for my final. I don't even know where the classroom is. Never even been to class. I'm taking a final on something I don't even know anything about. So I decided, someone just told me recently, actually with my friend Kimmy, that when you're 60, you can go and take classes for free. So I'm going to go to our local university the fall of 2024, and I'm going to take some kind of a class in social media, something to go with, along with my business. My goal is to actually physically go to class and get an A. I have to do that for me. I really do. So is there anything that you have been thinking about forever that you just have to accomplish that one goal? That's just something that's been weighing on you forever. Let me know. Share with us in the comment section. I'm really excited. Do you guys want me to take you along on my journey with this? Also, let me know in the comment section. Alrighty, friends. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you. The new Smeg is perfect. Yes, you do smell that kind of new appliance smell, but nothing like the smell of the one that I received the last time. Perfect. I'm loving my tea. It's the perfect temperature. And we're doing pour over coffees again. Mark is happy. So yes, the Smeg, spot on. I'm going to go ahead and continue here with my breakfast. I made one of my yummy little mug cake desserts. So I'm going to go and finish this and then get to work on future videos. Oh my gosh, real quick. Mark and I changed our furniture in the bedroom around, and it looks so much bigger. Well, in doing so, Mark's like, I think we need to paint this room. So yeah, that's what's been going on. So that's going to be another whole new video of a bedroom refresh. So stay tuned for that one. Alrighty, friends, I love you so much, and I'll see you on